Yeah, I got my bolts here.
These
and
bolts
then you
for anyway.
steal everything.
Alright, everyone buy everything that you can.
Got everything.
Chris, buy everything that you can.
There we go.
Right.
Zombie.
Doesn't cost a lot to buy everything.
Yeah. Right, first things first. Everyone equip your reflectors before we go up.
I don't know. What does my reflector look like?
Like a shield. It's on the page with just the 3 gadgets.
Aha.
Yeah. Keep that equipped.
I feel like I'm in Tron. So is that the only way we can defeat him?
No, that's the only way we can
Defend.
get him to... Right, basically we have to use this to get him vulnerable. Then we attack him normally. Then he becomes invulnerable again until we reflect his attack back and that. We have to do it like 3 times. It would have been a lot easier if we all had the Rhino.
Oh, I don't even have full health.
No. We we probably won't do this first time. Right, meet the biggest bad guy of the universe.
Oh, it's the idiot.
Oh, it's the idiot.
Just listen.
He needs a poop. Stewie.
It's Dinkles.
Who?
Mr. Dinkles, the cat.
Oh.
Who?
The cat.
What cat?
Remember, like the other day when we were doing the previous bit?
No.
You know, the guy's cat who thought Ratchet needed to poo.
No.
Never mind. Just watch the videos that I upload and you'll see.
No, I'm good. I've got them recorded myself.
You do?
Mhm.
Why haven't you uploaded any of them?
Because I'm waiting till we finish.
Exactly.
Maybe I should do that.
What? What's he on about?
Well, you see, like, if we'd all been paying attention throughout the story, you'd know.
Uh-oh.
Is he the big bad guy?
No.
So this guy becomes invulnerable.
Maybe.
A rabbit.
He's a cat.
Whatever the fuck it is. A squirrel.
It's a cat.
It's not a cat.
It's a raccoon.
It's a thing.
It's what I say it is.
Yeah. You gonna take that, Mr. Big Bad Boss?
Oh wait, kill these.
Oh. No, this works.
Yeah,
No, it
normal
doesn't.
weapons first. Normal weapons first. Just keep these weapons on the now, and then when I say so, press down on the D-pad, because then that'll automatically equip your reflector again.
It's up for my reflector.
No, if you press down on the D-pad, it'll automatically switch between your last equipped weapon and your last equipped gadget. James is dead.
No, he's not.
Yeah, you are.
See, I'm not dead. Oh my god.
Oh fuck, I'm dead. Revive me, someone. Chris, can you slow time?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I got grenades. Ooh.
Yeah, I'm using the crit strike on him. I mean, I could just rhino them, but I want to save
that for
that.
him.
Yeah. Oh my
I'm gonna
god,
die
I'm gonna
again.
die in a minute. Yeah, I'm dead.
I'm dead.
Chris. Right, down on the D-pad. And yeah, you might want to get off the middle, James.
Ah! Thanks for the
Right.
info.
Everyone use your shield. Because he's going to shoot a laser at all three of us. We have to reflect it back at him. All at the same time. Chris, shield.
That's not a laser, that's a...
That's a missile.
That's a laser.
Yeah.
Right, you two equip your rocket launchers.
Okay.
I'll rhino him.
Right here.
Yeah, lousy shields. Oops.
I can't find my thing.
Oh, what the fuck was that?
Oh shit.
Okay,
I'm
stop
dead.
firing, stop firing.
I think he fired a nuke at me.
Right, now just kill normally.
Unfair teams!
Yeah, so easy. Come on, die. Yeah.
Is that it?
Oh. You know, it means you still haven't got the 50 combos yet, James.
50 combos.
60
Oh.
combos, sorry.
Oh.
Wait, go slow-mo like that. And you get the +5. Oh, I'm basically out of ammo on this electric gun.
Oh my god, die.
Yeah, I'm using the RPG on him. Try and kill him quicker.
Oh, I'm out on the RPG too.
Are you?
Yeah.
Well. Okay, I'm gonna die.
I'm using the critter thing.
Yeah, I'm dead. I need someone to get me.
I'm on my way.
Thank you. Right, where's me flamethrower? There.
Turn into a critter.
I'm just using the flamethrower because it tastes quite strong.
Got an ally.
Chris, why did you equip your globber?
I don't know. I'm here.
They're on our side now.
Right, Critter Striker, James.
What?
Critter Striker on these.
Okay.
Chris, you use your Critter Striker as well. Looks like a cow head.
Yeah, but how do I change it? If I
Oh,
get it.
shit. Almost walked off.
Right, shields.
I'll find it first. There it is.
Just press down.
It wasn't the... Oh shit, my keypad got stuck.
Shields. Oh, what the fuck? It re-switched me. Alright.
Yeah, bitch.
There we go.
Yeah, bitch.
Fail.
Why the fuck didn't it work?
Because you aimed off.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I re-stuck it back on, then it got bigger, and then it just stopped. Well, we're all on.
Sounds dirty.
There we go.
Ammo.
Oh, fuck. I'm dead. Try and revive me.
Oh, god damn it.
Ooh, ammo.
Come on, let me get the ammo.
How do I change my weapons?
Right analog stack.
Okay, now there's no middle.
Nope. I'm just using my RPG. Who knows?
The fuck are we aiming at now?
No, just stop firing, save your ammo, then now. No.
One of those.
James, use your Critter Striker. It'll kill him faster.
But I don't know where it is. Crit striker. There we go. I'm in a bit of trouble.
Yeah.